Welcome back, Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers. We need an update on Kobe. I agree. I gotta go bring the CTR headlights over to Spoon, and yeah, maybe see Jimmy Oaks. Hopefully I could drive that badass car he got, the Nissan. Go link up with Jamie and them. Just kind of just get in the truck, put the AC on, and just drive. You know what I mean? I miss you, Trappy. If you're watching, I miss you. Hurry up, get back home. Also got a new MacBook Pro, so I'm put this to the test in some editing, and I'm excited. But yeah, we're about to jump on the road. I'm not gonna kill you with no time lapse. I ain't gonna do it to you. If anything fun happens on the way, I'll share it. But before we kick off this video, make sure you like right now. I'll give you 5 seconds to like. I want to get to 2,000. Can I get to 2,000 likes on this video? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right now. All right, guys. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Going ahead and pump some gas real quick. But I'm gonna show y'all a nasty mother sucker. This dude right here, he ain't wash his hands. He ain't wash his hands right here, this dude. He ain't wash his hands. He sees me recording him, he ain't wash his hands. Yeah, that dude, he ain't wash his hands. I'm gonna get his plate number. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to the CDC about him. Went right in the bathroom, did his business, ain't washed his hands. How you guys doing back there? You all right? We almost home. Yeah, Gunners, I went ahead and I DM'd. I texted Jimmy, and he's at the track. So driving the Sonda is not gonna happen in this vlog. I wanted to twist that car around and do the circles, you know what I mean? I wanted to do that part. But I'm probably like another 30 minutes out. Probably stop at Jamie's first and then wait for a Spoon to get to the garage. Tell you one thing, man. I don't miss Project Driver right now. Cause this AC, yeah, they're a little hard. It's freezing in here. Yeah, we're at Spoon, guys. Here goes my baby. It's my baby, French Montana. Yeah. AKA Joe CT.
Big Gunner, you heard?
Gunner, you heard? Love you, kid. Sub Spoony? Yep. Brother. Yes, sir. Wrenching away. Working on the door inside now. The exhaust is completely done. Is exhaust done, right? It's tigged up, right?
Minus one hanger, yeah.
Minus one hanger?
Nah, it's all welded.
Oh, it's all welded? Nice. We'll show that in a little bit. But man, I miss Kobe, guys. I was just telling Spoon too. I was like, I'm stressed out with no work at the garage. I was about to buy another car. Oh man. Yeah, it's coming out good though, man. He's gonna kill this car. We'll get this car up. We'll lift this car up once he's done in a little bit. No, yeah. Let's show him the exhaust. Exhaust is looking mint, my boy. Killed this. I know you had a little problem here. What'd you have to do?
Because of the shifter box, you lose a lot of room for the exhaust, and you end up losing a lot of ground clearance with the car.
Yeah.
I had a few pie cuts from a job I had, which ended up working out perfect. And still, if you look down the entire car, still have plenty of room. Oh yeah, it's really tucked in under this tunnel right after this right here. That is the best. Yeah. That is the biggest benefit of doing a full custom exhaust.
Fire.
Nah, nigga, talk that shit.
Yeah.
No, that's the biggest benefit. Like, yeah, it's a little more pricey.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I love it, man. Look at that.
Don't hit nothing.
Yeah.
I still gotta add another hanger over here.
Okay. Sweet.
But aside from that, it's done. Throw some paint on this.
Oh, you're gonna paint that? Yeah, right? Yeah, so I don't rust up or nothing. I love it. Yeah, everyone's been asking me, like, what did he do with the exhaust? Remember, guys, it was just a full, what? A 5-inch, 5 feet, 3-inch.
Straight pipe.
2
2 UJs, 2 V bands, and a muffler.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he ended up just taking all those straights and UJs and then just making all of this. But I love how it's not going to touch anything near here on the tunnel. It's tucked for you're going to have some good clearance.
Cables,
yeah.
E-brake cables.
Awesome.
Still got room around the shifter box.
Awesome. Fire. This car's going to sound sick. Sounds sick. Man, you know what's crazy? When the car was going up, I forgot all about the detail here. I was like, oh man, I missed
that's
this
the first thing everybody sees when they see the car.
Yeah.
It's been up and they're just like...
Yeah. It's a lot of hard work, bro. A lot of hard work. You might have to take this for a spin, bro.
You gotta check. You too thorough, my nigga. What you mean, dog? I ain't gonna gas you, but you too thorough, my nigga.
He's too thorough?
Yeah. I ain't gonna gas him. Yeah. Yo. Nah, look at son. Nah, look at son. Yo, you too thorough, my nigga. You need to chill.
Yo, calm down, man. You eat gunning.
Yeah.
Nah, he gunning. Hold on, what happened, Jova?
Nah, I don't even want to talk.
What happened?
Nah, let my niggas fool talk.
Nah, what happened?
I don't talk like
what
that.
happened?
Nah. You see the box?
You see the box?
Nah, come back. Nah, come back.
Nah, here.
Wait.
Nah, here. Open this one. Here you go. This one's already open for you.
Hold on.
This one's already open for you. Go ahead, boss. Check out the drip.
Hold on.
It's right here.
Nah, come here.
Slide it out.
It's right here. Yeah, chill, son. Nah.
Yo, you be a great.
Chill,
You be
son.
a great.
Come here, chill.
Great keep gunning hype man, bro. We need you on the team.
I'm gonna gas all y'all.
Yeah,
Chill.
we need you on the team. I don't understand why you. I told you it's right here.
You seen the blade work,
right? I seen it. I seen it. Don't drop that shit. That's yellow cake.
Hold on.
Don't drop that shit.
Chill out, baby.
I still don't understand. I told him it's right here. It's open. He went crazy.
Spoon, fall back, my nigga. Hold on, this shit. You see how you
got
pull
more
up?
tape over here.
Wait. You see how son pull up?
Just slide it out over there.
Hold on.
Right here, man. Right here.
Hold on. Yeah, you see how that pop? Shit.
I don't understand.
Nice.
I don't understand this guy, man.
Whoa. Got a box. Oh my god. Nah, got a box.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, what?
Yeah,
Nah.
Yeah, you see it. Yeah, you see it.
Spoon, chill. What?
Yeah, you see it. Yeah, you see it.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you, yo.
Yeah, you see it.
Nice seeing you, baby. Come on.
Yo, you see the Stanley, man. Chill out, bro. Chill out, man. Yo, you know what? You know what they better stop doing? They better stop like they the only ones getting money.
Talk that shit.
Yeah.
Nah, talk that. Yo, put it back. Nah, yeah. Talk that shit.
I'm done talking shit, man. I'm done talking shit. Oh man, yo, do me a favor, bro. Let me just see how it would look. Pull it over here. Let me just see pause how it would look. Oh, the other side. All right, hold on. Let's open the other side. Nah, you took over the vlog. That's it. Get that driver's side out. Yeah, I want to see how this looks. A little something. We got a little fender right here. We can get a little idea, you know. Drop it. Don't drop it. It's yellow cake. Oh. Oh yeah. I don't know. I guess just try to line up these guys right here into here, and then just get an idea. Oh, I see it already. King.
Trap, where you at?
Oh, Trap.
Oh, nah, chill.
Took your job.
Nah, come over here. Nah, chill.
Yo, let me see how
Nah, come over here. Nah.
Oh yeah.
Trap, come back from where
Mom, we did it, Mom. We did it. Oh my God, that's gonna look fire floating, bro. That's gonna look fire floating.
Yo, Spoon, you need to chill. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yo, good job today.
Nah,
good job
fuck
on
that.
your hard work today.
Nah, tell son over there.
Yo, keep it PG-13. Keep it PG-13. Fenders on. Working on that alignment. I see you, Spoon.
I'm about to teach y'all something.
Oh, you about to learn us something?
Yeah, give me a second.
You don't miss Yoshi?
A little bit.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. So Spoon got that door and fender right. That's all lined up beautifully. So eventually, you know, he's going door, fender. He's going to do the hood, get the bumper on. Then he can start beginning the process of a floating headlight. And then I think the radiator is going to be like a simple thing, right? Because, you know, I was thinking, what are you going to do about the bumper and the grill? Like, nothing, I don't think we have to hold that up or anything if we can mount the grill to the bumper, right? Or no?
We're still probably going to have to make something.
Still got to make something? That'd have been awesome, like, if it just, I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, I know you will. I know you will. So where we hitting, my boy?
It's mainly the manifold up here.
So manifold
So
there,
just
cut that out.
Just trying to find the nicest cut line.
Yeah. Looking good. We gotta cut the hood now because I want to paint this hood after it's cut so it doesn't look bad. So right now Spoon is just doing some measurements.
Wow,
This
right,
fender's lined up. This guy's drunk still.
hold
This
on,
guy's drunk. Now where you going, yo?
Alright.
No, chill out, man. Let me outro here for a second, man. Alright, so I don't want to show too much. He's gonna start cutting up the hood to get it to fit nice and flush. Hopefully by the next update, I'll have some floating headlights. We'll have the front end on, and we'll get to put those beautiful CTR. Yo, I left you the CTRs right there.
On the top shelf.
I'll move them on the top shelf because they are top shelf. You heard? They top shelf. You heard? But yeah, that's about it. Follow my boy Spoon. Yeah, follow him on Instagram. I told you we got a huge plan. We're gonna be able to get you guys in here to do some high quality work.
Soon.
Really soon, man. So I'll catch you guys. Well, I have to outro looking at you, right? Hold on, let me outro looking at you. It's Jerry. It's a YouTube rule. Gunners, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Shoot my boy Spoon860 a follow on Instagram. Jova456. Jova456, aka CT, aka the drunk Kinetic Canadian. The drunk Kinetic Canadian. I love you guys, man. Keep gunning.